As gold surges, there is an asset that follows gold and surges exponentially. Even a positive movement of 10% in gold can cause this asset to surge by even 100%. And this asset is gold mining stocks. History suggests that whenever gold surged, these stocks followed gold and surged exponentially. So why does gold affect the price of these stocks? In this video I will explain to you why does gold has an effect of the price of these stocks. And I will also show you how does these stocks perform in the recession. So, let us take an example to understand how does the price of gold affect these mining stocks. Let's say the price of gold now is around $1,300 an ounce and it takes around $1,250 to mine 1 ounce of gold. So, the mining company has a profit of $50 per ounce. Now let us consider the price of gold moved around 8%. That is to $1,400. So here the mining cost of gold remains the same. That is $1,250 per ounce, but as the price of gold increase, the mining company will have more profit. In this case, mining company's profit will increase by 300%. At first, they used to get $50 per ounce, but now they will get around $150 per ounce. But for now, as the mining companies has millions of tons of gold, its profit will increase exponentially, which will cause the price of their stock to move up. So even a price movement of 10% in gold can cause these stocks to move around 100%. So, if you would buy physical gold at $1,300 an ounce, and if the price of gold moves to $1,400, you will have a profit of only $100. But if you invest the same money in gold mining stocks, your profit can get double or even more. Well, again, I don't want you to believe my words, I want you to look at the facts. So, let us see how did these mining stocks perform during the time of recession when gold was surging. Stock number 1, Wheaton Precious Metal. During the time of recession from 3rd November 2008 to the 7th of March 2011, gold surged around 100%. So, if you would have invested $1,000 in gold, you would get $2,000, and at the same time when gold moved around 100% during the 3rd of November 2008 to the 7th of March 2011, the stock price of Wheaton Precious Metal went from $2.70 a share to $45.52, which is around 1,800%. So, if you would have invested $1,000 in this stock, you would have got around $18,000 in just 3 years. Stock number 2, Hecla Mining. Here, when the price of gold moved by 100%, the stock of Hecla Mining skyrocketed from $1.25 per share to $11.25. And this is during the same duration, that is from the 10th of November 2008 to the 10th of January 2011, and this stock moved around 800%. Stock number 3, Kirkland Lake Gold. From the 10th of November 2008 to the 19th of April 2010. The price of gold went up by 64%, and at the same time the stock price of Kirkland Lake Gold surged by 1,361%, that is from $1.73 a share to $25. So, here every $1,000 which you would have invested would have turned into $1,300 in just 1.5 years. See you in the next video.